Hey, what's up everybody? Happy Black History Month. We at Flawless are really excited to bring to you Flawless Through the Decades, where we're going to take a trip back down memory lane to highlight and showcase, celebrate iconic moments in Black beauty. Our first stop will be the 1920s. The mesmerizing Miss Josephine Baker. Her staple style has traveled throughout the decade. Missy Elliot and her I Can't Stand the Rain music video on Jodie Turner-Smith for her Queen of Slim movie premiere. That Josephine Baker look, you can get it at home with Flawless by GU. You can start using our Hydrating shampoo. Follow up with our 3-minute Restore and Conditioner. From there, you want to make sure you throw in some of our leave-in. After that, you can use our brand new Flawless Edge Control. There you have it, Flawless Beauties. Thank you guys so much. Happy Black History Month. And thank you, Miss Baker, for all of your amazingness.